to test for linkage, your first step would be to make sure that you have homozygous parents. They can be homozygous for any alleles in any combination, but they must be homozygous, so it has to be AABB or AABB or AABB in any combination, but both alleles must be homozygous and opposite to the other parent. So when you have that accomplished, and when you find those flies, make sure you cross them, and then look at your heterozygous individual. And then when you have this individual, then you should cross this individual again with a homozygous parent. I would go with the male having this genotype when you cross it again, because you'll see that it's easier to deal with. And then once you cross it, you come down to your little Punnett square here. Not a proper Punnett square, but your results. So your male can only give these two alleles because it only has these two in combination, and your female has these. So your female technically should give AB, so that's right here, and AB, so that's right here. But on female chromosomes, because crossovers can happen, there can be crossovers between those two, and you can also get these two recombinant combinations. So if you do have linkage, you'll get a lot of the parentals and a few of the recombinants. But if you don't have linkage and your chromosomes and everything segregate independently of each other, completely independently, or maybe they're just far apart on each chromosome versus being on different chromosomes. So in that case, when you don't have linkage, you would just get a 1:1:1:1 ratio of each of these genotypes. So that should help you in deciding if it's linked or not linked. And obviously, once you have these results, you can figure out how many recombinants you have, and then you can figure out your frequency of recombinants. And so in my case, I had my monothorax was dominant, and my white body color was dominant. So I said my mono was A and my white was B. So my female was AABB, she was a mono white, and my male was a bithorax brown. Across those two, I got my mono white offspring, and then I took a female mono white from this progeny and crossed it with a male who had a genotype of AABB, so a bi brown, and then once again I analyzed the results. So hopefully that should help you out. If you have any more questions, let me know, and yeah, good luck.